Next, we'll study about simplification of context-free grammar. In simplification of context-free grammar, there are three processes involved. One is removal of useless symbol. Next is removal of unit production and removal of null production. We will see one by one. First, we'll move on to removal of useless symbol. There are two types of useless symbol. One is non-generating symbol. Another one is non-reachable symbol. Non-generating symbol. Another one is non-reachable symbol. Non-generating symbols are those symbols which do not produce terminal. Which do not produce any terminal string. Those type of symbols are called as non-generating symbols. Non-reachable symbols are those symbols, as the name implies, that cannot be reached from the start symbol. That cannot be reached from the start symbol. So they are called as non-reachable symbols. So non-generating symbols, we need to identify non-generating symbol and non-reachable symbol in a grammar. Those symbols are useless symbols because they will not be involved in any of the generating process. So they can be removed from the grammar. Now let me explain this with the help of an example. Now consider the set of productions of a grammar. S goes to AB or BX. A goes to BAD or BSX or A. And B goes to ASB or BBX. And X goes to SBD or ABX or AD. Now we are interested in eliminating useless symbol. So we need to identify, is there any non-generating symbol in this set of productions? Non-generating symbol. Now see, yes, start symbol cannot be removed because this is actually generating, this will be generating terminals. Now coming to B, B is yielding a terminal A and X is yielding a terminal AD. But see, B is again yielding, recursively calling BB again. Again the B is not leading to any of the terminal symbols. So now here out of SABX non-terminals, we are identifying B as non-generating symbol. So we can remove all the productions which is having B. All productions or all B productions. Okay, by eliminating B production, the above grammar will be S goes to small bx, A goes to BSX or A. The first production is having B, so we'll be removing off completely that B production, and X goes to, see, these two production is having B, so it can be removed and we'll be having AD. Now next we need to check whether we have any non-reachable symbol. So non-reachable symbols are those symbols that cannot be reached from the start symbol. So start symbol is having B terminal, this is a terminal, but X is a non-terminal. Now X is having two terminals A and D. By no means we can reach this A starting from S. If X is having a production of something of A, then we can say A is reachable from S. But now S is having just X production. X is having two consecutive terminals. So this A is a non-reachable symbol. A is non-reachable symbol. So we can eliminate A from the above grammar. So S is equal to Bx and X is equal to AD. So the above grammar is now simplified. The given grammar is now simplified by eliminating useless symbol. So this is going to be our answer for elimination of useless symbol. Now we will take one more problem for elimination of useless symbol. S goes to small a C or SB. A goes to BSC A or AD. Now B goes to ASB or BBC. C goes to ABC or AD. Now we need to identify non-generating symbol. So we won't check with start symbol. Now X is generating terminal AD. Again C is also generating terminal AD. But B is not generating. Instead B is generating SB and B here again. So now B is not generating any terminals. So B is a non-generating symbol. So we need to eliminate B. So you remove the productions, that is remove all B productions. So remove all B productions. So S goes to AC, A goes to BSC A. Let me rewrite this one. B, capital S, capital C, A and AD. We'll be completely eliminating B production. So we'll include C with just AD. This is having B, this production is having B. So we'll be removing it. Now we need to identify whether we have any non-reachable symbol. As in previous example, A is non-reachable from the start symbol. So we need to remove A production. Okay. So what will be the answer? S goes to capital A C and C goes to AD. So this is your simplified grammar. This is your answer. I'll give you one more problem. You try of your own and check whether you have any non-generating or non-reachable symbol. B tends to AB and C tends to AB. A capital B. See here, A is generating B is generating a terminal. So A is also generating, B is also generating. Now C is having AB, whereas B leads to a terminal AB. So C is also generating. So in the above given grammar, we don't have any, so no non-generating symbol in the above grammar. We have to check whether we have any non-reachable symbol. See, S goes to A goes to B, okay, fine. But from S, we don't have a way to reach this non-terminal C. So C is non-reachable symbol. So you remove C from the grammar. So you remove C production from the given grammar G. So how to simplify the above grammar? A goes to B, and B goes to AB. That's all. This is our simplified grammar after removing useless symbol. In subsequent videos, we will look into removal of unit production and removal of null productions. Thank you.